Welcome back YouTube to Diamond S Motorsports. Alright guys, today we're working on the old Bruiser here, our 2011 F350. We're giving it a little facelift a little bit. Actually today it's getting work on its booty, I guess. So today I'm working on the tailgate. And you hate that when someone like your wife or your kids, they can't handle it because these tailgates on these 11 to 16s are heavy. Or you just, you don't work out and you've got your purse and all that stuff and you need to have it do a soft opening. Today we're going to be putting a dampener on the tailgate to make it like the newer trucks that have dampeners for easy open and letting down. So we're going to be doing that and getting the old Bruiser here. We're going to be refreshing it. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment, and I hope this video helps each and every one of y'all that's looking for something like this out. Thanks. All right, this is the Intech Auto tailgate dampener. So it's going to go right in here. And I think it goes down here somewhere. I'm not so sure that recorded, but reading the directions, Intech Auto, y'all need to redo your directions on this. Okay, you're saying you need a 10mm wrench, okay, and a 3/16 Allen to tighten with approximately make 9 full 360 turns. A 10mm does not fit on that nut, okay? I'm gonna guess it's a 13. Now, here's my next question. Let me set y'all down for a second. Let's see if they got the Allen right. Because if they didn't, well, that's just trash too. So, we got 3/16 Allen. Oh, that's just great. It doesn't work there. Okay. So, let's see what Allen it really is. Okay, that's still too loose. I'm gonna guess it's like a 6. Oh, that's right, it's a 6, guys. It's a 6. Glad I'm doing y'all's directions for you now. All right, hold on. All right, I was right. Don't know. Maybe it's a typo. Maybe. Or they just changed stuff, or whoever did the directions has never done it before. Don't know. Anyways, my fat gut caught that. 13mm fits, okay? This was a 6, okay? 6mm Allen, cool. So now, next things to go here, you got this hole right here. We're gonna put the nut cert in there, and then we're gonna use these two to, let me see if y'all can see what I see, somewhat. I'm gonna give y'all better directions than Intech Auto did. God. Intech, if you want to, watch this and learn how to put your own stuff in. It's ridiculous. So, nut cert, and then they're saying that you should just be able to go around and around and it'll tighten up, okay? So, one thing I'm gonna do, because I've got this ratchet wrench, and make sure I got it going the right way. I'll put this on, right? And then I'm gonna cheat. Get it so it's tight. I think that's tight enough. Now, you're supposed to loosen this nut and take it all the way out. Oh yeah, it's holding in there. She'll do work. We got it good and tight. Good and tight. So that comes out there. Nut cert is, ooh, maybe y'all can't see that. Nut cert is in, okay? Then you got all these little balls. All right. So now, let's keep following their the directions. Yeah, it says only use the 10mm wrench. Cool. Oh, we didn't do that. Remove the screw, blah, 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 blah. Use the 13mm socket to install the ball mount. So, we gotta find us the ball mount. I wonder if this is even right. At this point, I don't know. Hey, but their packaging, I give them a 10 out of 10 on packaging. Nothing's moving inside there. All right, so before we get into this, let's see if a 13, oh, look at that, guys. 13mm won't fit. Hey, Intech, 13mm doesn't fit. This might be your old setup. Maybe y'all need to redo your directions. Somebody got lazy, just trying to collect money. So I'm gonna guess it's like a, I don't know. Oh, not a 15mm. But it's a, is it a 16mm? Oh, it's a 16mm. All right, guys, 16mm. Okay, you see this? Y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can see that. That says 16mm. This is a little ball deal. That fits. 13mm. No fit. Hell, for all I know, this may not work at all. But we're gonna screw this in. This might be for a different truck. I don't even know at this point. I'm just gonna do it and see what all's right and see what all's wrong and let y'all know. Because this would suck for y'all. This would suck for somebody who's like, hey, Dad, I need to borrow a couple tools. I need a 10mm and 13mm. Get out here trying to do this. They're all excited about doing something on their truck and then go, oh shit, I don't have the right tools. And have to go find more. And then mess up their dad's toolbox. And then he gets pissed off because the tools aren't where they're supposed to be, or he lost them, or whatever. Tell me how I know about that shit. All right, so I like using the ratchet, so we're gonna, if it'll fit on there. It may not. Kind of line it. Oh, that's right, because I'm trying to do the 13 like they said. Let me get the 16 out. I would dare say this is like a one beer job right now, or should be. I want more than one beer over this. I'm not gonna go too tight on that because I don't want to strip anything out. Give it a nice little, there. Think that's gonna be good? Whew, that's close. That's close, y'all. About to find out if this works or not. I hope it does. All right. So, they're saying they want us to remove the 2 screws on the inside of the light. They don't even tell you what size those are. But if you've worked on your truck, you know it's probably gonna be, if you've ever taken your tail lights out, you know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be it. Shit, I should know this. I'm talking shit. I don't even know. Actually, I do know. It's should be an old 8mm. 8mm right there. We're talking about these 2 screws. Take those out. Not sure why we need to take those out, but hey, we're gonna follow their instructions, and then we're gonna make fun of them when their shit's wrong. That's all I can say. What's wrong? I'm gonna make fun of them and call them out. And I need an adapter to use that, so. Well, we're following their directions. That's how you find out if their directions are any good, guys. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with this. I'm gonna zip these off and get back to the directions. For y'all that don't know, take those out and then you just kind of pull. You don't have to be real nice, just pull those out. All right, not sure why we had to do that, but hey, we're following the directions, folks. Pull out the rear ride on the left side. We did that. Remove the 2 internal screws to remove the rubber, to prevent the rubber from affecting the use of the, so we did that. So then we can take these out. I wonder if these are 10mm. God, if these are finally 10mm. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm gonna pop these out just for the time being, so I don't have to worry about this. Okay, popped out. All right, those aren't in my way. Tell that's not my way. now we gotta find what size these are, because you know, whatever. Dumbass Auto is what I'm gonna start calling y'all in tech. Let's see. Hold on, I gotta find the right one. All right, I've shown y'all everything that's happened so far. Nowhere on there that it says that you need a 7/16, but to take this little rubber pad off here, on the inside of here is 2 7/16. I'm gonna zip those off real quick. Pop that out, boom. We're one step fucking closer. God, I wish I had some beer right now. And it's only like 9 in the morning and I already want beer. So disappointing. Now is the T50 moment of truth. Are they finally right? Are they finally right? Oh, they finally got one right, guys. God, wow. It's just so amazing that they finally got one right. All right, so all you gotta do, sorry, I wasn't trying to figure all this out, you know, and realize how dumb companies are for just, oh, we're just gonna put this out. That's the way it was, but we've changed like 95% of all the hardware. Not quite yet. All right, so instructions, because they're just oh so great, right? Okay, literally, boom, and we're going back in. Okay, we're gonna go back in with it. Hand tighten that a little bit, and then we'll swap this around. Send her home. Now, I'm not going to go too much because I'm not real sure. Let's read their directions on lining that up. Stack the screw and spacer with the ball mount plate. With the ball heading down, use T50 socket, install back to the driving side, but do not tighten. Oops. Oops. My bad. I thought their directions were total trash, but well, I guess it's not totally tight. We can still move that. So, retract, ball mount here. I think you just take it and push it on. There's no directions on how to get that on there. Be really nice if they'd actually tell you how, but I think you just push in right here and that's going to do it. I just got to find something I can push in with. Got these. Got that. Yep. That works. Now I realize that is a threaded end down there. So now, not going to. Oh, this thing. You gotta use your fucking Hulk strength right here. That's why I'm wearing green today, so I can have my Hulk strength. A little bit more. that one went just easy peasy on there. So I think it needs to be right there. We're gonna send this on home the rest of the way. Or we're not. It's dead. Oh. Helps if you have that one going the right way, dumbass. Like I said, don't strip out your T50. It can happen. It has happened. And it will happen. Okay. That one's good enough. I'm gonna get all this cleared off. Oh. I guess I'll go ahead and put my tail light back in. If you don't know how to put your tail light back in, just reverse what you just did to take it off. All right, one final step is use a caliper. I guess they mean a damn tape measure. Who uses a caliper to measure shit unless you're trying to get really precise measurements? So it says to measure the distance between the cable and the upper end of 3.5 inches, use pliers to put this on. I'm gonna go right here. We're gonna go 3.5 inches, which is right there. Okay, once you get it on there, it will slide up and down, so you can actually measure 3.5 inches out. I'm not real happy with what it's done to my cable sheathing that's already there, but it is what it is. I'm gonna run that up right over it. It's gonna be a little off, as you can see down here. Over time, this shit gets frayed. But so now I'm gonna clear all this crap off, because you know I had to pull all the tools out, because in tech, they're not very technologically advanced if they can't redo their directions. But I'm gonna get all this stuff moved out of the way so we can test this thing. All right, it worked. Might need to put some little bit of WD-40 over there for the squeakiness, but it's working. And all right, everybody, I hope this video helped y'all out. Here's our dampener. It's in. It works. Show y'all. It's nice and easy. Sets it down there. That's going to be nice for the kids and for the wife, and I don't hear it banging. But it's also going to be nice on these that are already stretched a little bit. But it is what it is. We're just trying to make this thing a little bit better and last a little bit longer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and share with your friends and anybody that you know that may be needing something like this done. I know there's several women out there, especially here in Texas, that they drive these trucks daily and pull horse trailers and everything else. So this may be something they may need. So if you're a guy in their life, why don't you get it for them and put it on there. I'll have it linked down in my description where you can find it, where you can get it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. I hope to see you out on the trails, maybe even out of the road.